Guys, I'm going to talk to you today just a bit about shower cleaning. Do you ever notice that you wonder why the shower becomes so dirty when all that's going on in that shower is you making yourself clean? Well, I have the answer today. Hi, I'm Juliana. I'm a cleaning specialist and the owner of Cleantopia, a residential cleaning business. And I'm going to talk with you today tips and tricks for keeping your shower clean and also what surfaces need special care. All right, let's get started. This is just a quick video today. As I mentioned, I often wonder how can something that keeps us so clean become so dirty? And the answer is just plain and simple water. Water, I should say water and soap, right? The basics. The basics for getting us clean allows the shower to become absolutely filthy if you don't clean it for a while. And if you're like me, you found that out pretty quickly when I started living on my own, which was many, many years ago. Anyway, what you're looking at here, is a fiberglass shower. And if we let this get dirty, it would have soap scum. That's often the gunk that you might see in a shower that's pink or yellowish brownish. That's soap scum. Or it might get hard water staining, etc. But have you ever noticed that you may get spots just on the walls if you don't completely dry it? Well, back to my original thought, which was water is making your shower dirty. That's why this is your best friend. Make sure that you use a squeegee in your shower every single day. I even use it in the tub to do the sides of the tub and then just squeegee everything down the drain. However, this shower right here is fiberglass. Therefore, it's not going to dry streak free. So as a professional home cleaner, I would come over here and to finish it off, get yourself a nice dry and clean microfiber cloth. And yes, you're going to have to completely dry everything off. Now, you shouldn't have too much to dry off at this point because we used our favorite tool, the squeegee. But anyway, make sure that everything is dry. You don't want to contribute to the mess of your shower. You want to clean it and then leave it in the best state possible so that it has the best advantages for staying clean longer. Okay, I do advise cleaning your shower at least once a week and more often if you have small children who are bathing in the tub or the shower, etc. All right, now I said that this was a fiberglass shower insert. However, I'm going to show you a different scenario, and that is over in here. Different sound in here. Oh, here we go. Same sound, same echo. Sorry about that. Now, this shower you can see is tiles. They are natural tiles. And here's the trick. If your shower or bath or anywhere in your bathroom has a natural surface, so ceramic tile, marble tiles, granite, etc., and so on. We know there's many different types of material used to make showers. If it is a natural surface, after you squeegee that shower off, you do not have to dry it off with a microfiber. Yay! It saves you a step. Why? Because natural stone and natural products will dry completely streak and spot free. Isn't that great? Unlike the glass that you can see, this glass needs to be taken care of, right? That's just calcium and other mineral staining left behind that actually binds with the chemicals in the glass, or the silica, I should say, in the glass, and can ruin it. But anyway, natural surface here, porcelain is a natural surface, ceramic tile is a natural surface. Any of those, you'll be able to just squeegee them off and allow them to dry on their own, and they'll be beautiful and streak free. Thanks for joining me today. I'm Juliana, and remember that you deserve the comfort and the ease of a clean home. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.